In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Tradingview account for free. To get started, open your web browser and search for Tradingview. From the search results, click on the first Tradingview link to open the website. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Get Started. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a new account. Click on Sign Up to continue. On the Sign Up page, you'll see several options available for creating your account. You can sign up using a Google account, Facebook account, X account, Yahoo account, Apple account, LinkedIn account, or you can use an email address instead. For this example, select the option to sign up with Google. After clicking Sign Up with Google, choose the Google account you would like to use for your new Tradingview account. Once your Google account has been selected, Tradingview will ask you to create a username. Enter the username you want to use for your account. Take a moment to choose a username that you would like associated with your Tradingview profile. After entering your username, you'll see an option regarding marketing emails and special offers. If you would like to receive marketing emails from Tradingview, make sure that option is selected. If you do not want to receive those emails, simply leave the option unselected. Next, review the Terms and Conditions section. To continue with the account creation process, select the checkbox confirming that you agree to the terms and conditions. Once that box has been checked, click the Next button to move forward. Tradingview will then complete the account setup process and redirect you to the platform. After the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should now see your account displayed there, confirming that your account has been successfully created. At this point, you are signed in and ready to use Tradingview. Your new account is active, and you can begin accessing the platform using the account you just created. The entire process only takes a few minutes. Simply search for Tradingview, click Get Started, choose Sign Up, select your preferred sign-up method, create a username, choose your email preferences, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Next. Once you're redirected to the homepage and can see your account in the top right corner, your Tradingview account has been successfully created. That's all there is to it, and you're now ready to start using Tradingview. Thank you for watching.